political science class. Children, if you remember that in my previous video, I was teaching you one chapter from your political science book, and the chapter was political parties. So in those videos, already I told you about political parties. I mean that what is the definition of political parties and what are the components of political party. So in today's video, we will see that how many political parties are there in our country and what type of political parties are there in our country. So children, first of all, you should know that all over the world there are different political party systems. In some of the countries you can see that there is one party only, one political party which contests the election or which rule the country again and again. And at the same time you can see that there are some countries where two-party system is there. Two-party system means that two political parties are there in those countries, and those two political parties, they contest the election to gain power. And at the same time you can see that there are countries where more than two political parties or many political parties are there, in other words you can say, and these political parties, they contest the election every election period and they gain the power. The country where one party is there which is contesting the election or which is ruling that country, that system is called as single party system. And those countries where two parties are there to contest the election, that kind of system is known as bi-party system. And those countries where many political parties contest the election, that system is known as multi-party system. Single party system or one party system we can see in China. Two party system we can see in USA, and multi-party system we can see our own country, India. So now see, next thing. In our country, as I told you, that there are many political parties, but it is not so that all the political parties are present throughout the country. There are few political parties only which are present throughout the country, and these political parties are known as national parties. Already children, I have written the names of some of the national political parties here. First party is INC, which is also known as Indian National Congress. This party was founded in 1885 by A.O. Luo. This party is a very strong political party, and after independence this political party ruled our country for many decades, and still this party is playing the role of opposition from the center. This political party, I mean INC or Indian National Congress, this party espouses secularism. It means that this party claims that it gives equal importance to all the religions which are living in our country. Second party you can see, that is Bharatiya Janata Party. This party actually was founded after the revival of Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Bharatiya Jana Sangh was founded in 1951, and the same Bharatiya Jana Sangh was again revived in 1980 and came to be known as Bharatiya Janata Party. This party is just now very strong in Indian politics, and it is ruling from the center, and not only from the center, this party is very powerful in many other states also, and this party has formed government in other states also. This party believes in traditional ancient culture, and this party wants the revival of Hindu culture and tradition. This party believes in Hindutva ideology. After that we can see BSP, which is also known as Bahujan Samaj Party. This party was founded in 1984, and the founder of this party was Mr. Kashiram. This party is very strong in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it also plays very important role in politics of many other states also. Just now the current supremo of this Bahujan Samaj Party is Madam Mayawati, and this party espouses and supports those people who are from backward classes, those who are marginalized, and those who are discriminated for a very long period of time in our society.